It is my great honor to introduce Professor Bernard Marty of Lorraine University for the Goldschmidt Award. The title of his research is Volatile Element Geochemistry, encompassing the formation of Earth's atmosphere and solar system bodies. As an undergraduate, Bernard majored in physics at Paul Sabatier University in Toulouse and later completed his third cycle thesis in graduate school at the same university in 1979. The thesis degree was perhaps something between master and PhD in current French system. Major focus of his graduate research was the development of a method for potassium-argon dating of young volcanic rocks. He avoided the use of argon-38 as a spike to calibrate a mass spectrometer because he wished to measure argon-38 to 36 ratios in addition to 40 to 36 ratios. During such early thesis research, he learned the basics of ultra-high vacuum technology and static operation gas mass spectrometer. He found that he was not so much attracted in geochronology as he was interested in volcanology using noble gases. During the same period, normal gas geochemistry was emerging as a new field of isotope geology. University of Tokyo was one of the important hubs of noble gas studies because Professor Ojima, another winner of Goldschmidt Award, was developing the subject. Bernard applied and was adopted as Lavoisier Fellow to stay in Tokyo as postdoc fellows from 81 to 84. At the time, I was a PhD student of the same laboratory. Together, we carried out many studies of helium isotopes in volcanic and hydrothermal systems. Bernard enjoyed life in Japan, even though there's a difference in lifestyle and culture between Japan and his native France. In 1984, he returned to his home country. Soon afterward, received a research position of CNRS in University of Paris 6. He developed a noble gas laboratory and measured all noble gas isotopes of mantle-derived materials such as mid-ocean ridge basalt. In addition, his pioneer work opened a new field of geochemistry which combines noble gases with other volatile elements such as carbon and nitrogen. In 1988, he received state doctoral thesis from University of Paris 6. Bernard moved to University of Lorraine as a professor in Nancy in 1992, where he developed his final scientific base and studied three crucial subjects in geochemistry and cosmochemistry. They are the origin of deep earth volatiles, the evolution of atmosphere through time, and the cosmochemistry of volatile elements. By scaling carbon and nitrogen to noble gases, Bernard determined the carbon and nitrogen contents of mantle and fluxes of these elements to the surface. He established a reliable global carbon mass balance. His group established a protosolar nebula origin of mantle neon and the chondritic nature of xenon trapped in the deep earth. These studies led him to propose three cosmochemical sources contributing volatility to the Earth: the protosolar nebula, which accumulated through dissolution in magma ocean, chondritic gases that supplied volatility to the mantle, and the exotic component possibly contributed by comets. As I outlined, his accomplishments and contributions in volatile isotope geochemistry, such as noble gas, carbon, and nitrogen, represent a great achievement in Earth and planetary science and should be recognized as deserving the Goldschmidt Award.